The world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. One of the most significant developments is the rise of automation. Automation is changing the way we work. In many industries, machines are now able to perform tasks that were previously done by humans. This trend is only going to continue. As automation becomes more sophisticated, it will impact more and more jobs. This new reality is especially true for programmers. Programmers are at the forefront of the automation revolution. They are the ones who are creating the software that is automating tasks. This puts programmers in a unique position. They have the ability to automate their own jobs, and many of them are doing just that. There are countless stories of programmers who have successfully automated significant portions of their work. This allows them to be more efficient and productive. It can also free up their time so they can focus on more challenging and rewarding tasks. The rise of self-automation is a fascinating phenomenon. It raises important questions about the future of work. It also presents both challenges and opportunities for workers and businesses alike. We need to be prepared for the changes that are coming. It is important to remember that automation is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It is not inherently good or bad. It is up to us as humans to decide how we want to use it. One of the biggest fears surrounding automation is that it will lead to mass unemployment. People are worried that machines will take over all the jobs, leaving humans with nothing to do. However, this is a short-sighted view. Throughout history, technological advances have always led to changes in the job market, but they have also created new jobs and opportunities. The same will be true of automation. Automation is not about replacing humans. It is about augmenting human capabilities. It can help us to be more efficient, productive, and creative. It can free us from the drudgery of repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more meaningful work. The key is to embrace automation and adapt to the changing job market. We need to be willing to learn new skills and embrace new ways of working. If we do this, we can use automation to create a better future for everyone. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is more important than ever before. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their bottom line, and one of the best ways to do that is to increase efficiency. Automation can play a major role in this. By automating tasks, businesses can reduce costs, improve quality, and speed up production. This can give them a significant competitive advantage. Automation can also help businesses to be more responsive to customer needs. For example, imagine a company that sells products online. They can use automation to process orders, track shipments, and provide customer support. This can free up their employees to focus on more strategic tasks, such as product development and marketing. As a result, automation can be a win-win for businesses and consumers alike. It can lead to lower prices, better products, and improved customer service. Self-automation can also have a number of benefits for individual workers. As mentioned earlier, it can help to increase efficiency and productivity. This can lead to a number of positive outcomes, such as increased job satisfaction. When workers are able to automate away tedious and repetitive tasks, they are freed up to focus on more challenging and engaging work. This can lead to greater job satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. Improved work-life balance. Automation can help workers to get more done in less time. This can give them more flexibility in their schedules and allow them to achieve a better work-life balance. Enhanced career prospects. As automation becomes more prevalent in the workplace, workers with automation skills will be in high demand. This can lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries, greater control over work. Self-automation empowers workers to take control of their own work and find ways to do it more efficiently. This can lead to a sense of ownership and pride in their work. In short, self-automation can be a powerful tool for workers who are looking to improve their careers and their lives. Section 5. The wider impact on business. Self-automation can have a significant impact on businesses. When workers are able to automate their tasks, it can lead to increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved quality. This can help businesses to be more competitive and profitable. In addition, self-automation can lead to a more engaged and motivated workforce. When workers feel like they have more control over their work, and are able to focus on more challenging tasks, they are more likely to be satisfied with their jobs. This can lead to reduced turnover and increased morale. However, there are also some challenges that businesses need to be aware of when it comes to self-automation. One challenge is the potential for job displacement. If workers are able to automate their jobs, it is possible that some jobs will be eliminated. Businesses need to be prepared to address this issue. They may need to provide retraining opportunities for workers who are displaced by automation. They also need to be transparent with their employees about their plans for automation. To Section 6, a question of ethics, transparency and fairness. The rise of self-automation raises several ethical considerations. One important question is whether or not it is ethical for workers to automate their jobs without telling their employers. Some people argue that it is a form of theft, as the worker is essentially being paid for work that is being done by a machine. Others argue that as long as the worker is still meeting the requirements of their job, it is not an issue. They argue that workers should be rewarded for their ingenuity in finding ways to be more efficient. There is no easy answer to this question. It is a complex issue with valid arguments on both sides. Ultimately, it is up to each individual worker to decide what they believe is right. However, it is important for workers to be aware of the potential consequences of automating their jobs without telling their employers. If the employer finds out, the worker could be fired. Additionally, it could lead to a loss of trust between the employer and the employee. Section 7, the democratization of automation, power to the people. One of the most exciting aspects of self-automation is that it has the potential to democratize automation. In the past, automation was largely the domain of large corporations with deep pockets. However, the tools and technologies for automation are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible. This means that anyone can learn to automate tasks regardless of their technical skills or background. There are now a wealth of online resources, courses, and communities that can help people to learn about automation. This is empowering individuals to take control of their work and their careers. It is also leading to a more innovative and dynamic workforce. The democratization of automation is a positive development. It has the potential to level the playing field and create new opportunities for everyone. Section 8. Working smarter, not harder, a new perspective on labor. The rise of self-automation is forcing us to rethink our relationship with work. In the past, work was often seen as a necessary evil. It was something that we did to earn a living, but it wasn't necessarily something that we enjoyed. However, this is changing. As automation frees us from the drudgery of repetitive tasks, we have the opportunity to focus on more meaningful and fulfilling work. We can use our creativity, ingenuity, and problem-solving skills to make a real difference in the world. This new perspective on work is essential for the future. We need to move away from the idea that work is simply about putting in hours and following orders. Instead, we need to embrace the idea that work can be a source of purpose and satisfaction. Section 9. The power of shared knowledge. Collective action in the age of automation. One of the best ways to ensure that the benefits of self-automation are shared widely is to encourage collective action. When workers share their knowledge and expertise with each other, it can help to level the playing field and create a more equitable workplace. There are a number of ways to promote collective action in the age of automation. One way is to create online communities and forums where workers can share their automation scripts, tips, and best practices. Another way is to organize workshops and training sessions where workers can learn from each other. Unions and worker advocacy groups can also play a role in promoting collective action. They can help to educate workers about their rights and provide support to workers who are impacted by automation. Section 10. Navigating the future of work, a shared responsibility. The rise of self-automation is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. It presents both challenges and opportunities. It is important for us to approach this new reality with a sense of curiosity, open-mindedness, and a willingness to adapt. The future of work is not something that is going to be decided for us. It is something that we need to create together. This requires a collaborative effort between workers, businesses, educators, and policymakers. We need to work together to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared widely and that everyone has the opportunity to thrive in the new world of work. The future is full of possibilities. Let's embrace them together.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.